Okay, National NC-98. I run it up on the Variac. Now I'm running it on a soft load here. About 100 volts in, just letting it cook a little while before I start tearing it down. Everything seems to be, I haven't noticed any problems. When it was on the Variac, I didn't have any odd current. The power consumption's about correct. So I put it on a little soft load here, a little deal that I built up using a power strip, a little cheap voltmeter. So I can set the Variac to the side, and this thing generates practically no heat. Got a 150 watt bulb. And just hang it up there. There's really no heat to speak of. But anyway, so 4.08, let's see, excuse me, 4.840, 4.840 megahertz.
Of the end of the First Amendment. You go any further than this. This is the line in the frickin' sand.
This Alex Jones on here. It's I mean, it's got a gray. I'm using it on the dipole, little antenna I use here on the shop.
The whole world is going to be destroyed.
And
what do you think it's going to be like from here on out?
I've got that paralleled with another SX99 here.
That doesn't seem a little bit Nazi to you? Do you really want to live in that world? Wait.
So
we're at stake. If you want to take your damn vaccine, take it. There's a thing in this world. It's called freedom.
See, it's got some issues. The BFO, of course, you can see how the knobs are all hazed over. BFO has to be jammed all the way to the right to get some signal in for CW reception. I'm on band C. All 4 bands are working, surprisingly enough.
You're absolutely right.
Selectivity.
The guys at the top know it's about depopulation. They know it's about a takeover. We rebelled against them. We didn't buy the New World Order. They started killing us.
Does work. Phasing works as well. Watch the. I've got that peaked out antenna tuned. The RF gain control works. It's pretty surprising. Standby switch works. So, got a lot of cosmetic stuff to do.
All the nurses out there.
I'm going to I'm going to use some mild abrasive after I use another cleaner that another guy I know, Jeff King here, does a great job with these things, with rigs of all sorts. So I'd like to keep the original paint if possible. So I'm going to go through and recap it and check all the resistors and all that. But there it is. It looks, it's actually pretty clean. I did have to put a main filter cap in. I did that before we ever powered that thing up. Main filter cap had already was leaking, so there was no need to even try that. So I replaced that a little bit back and stuck it back together until I could come back to this project. So anyway, here we are. I'm going to let it run on 100 volts a while and then pop it open and see what's going on. All the tubes seem to be good. I haven't tested them, but sensitivity is good. Everything's fine. No issues with any of that. So it's going to be a fun project.